Cranes are indispensable in the construction industry, enabling the lifting and placement of heavy materials at great heights. However, the process of erecting and dismantling these massive machines is a complex and highly coordinated operation. This guide delves into the intricate steps, safety considerations, and technological advancements involved in the erection and dismantling of cranes, providing an educational overview supported by data and statistics. Cranes are essential in construction and come in various types, each with specific assembly and disassembly procedures tailored to their design and purpose. Among the most common types are tower cranes, mobile cranes, overhead cranes, and self-erecting cranes. Tower cranes, iconic in high-rise construction, are prized for their ability to reach impressive heights and handle substantial loads. Mobile cranes, mounted on trucks or crawlers, are valued for their versatility and ease of transportation, making them ideal for diverse construction needs. Overhead cranes are primarily used in industrial environments for heavy lifting, while self-erecting cranes are compact and efficient for smaller-scale projects like residential construction. This discussion will focus on tower cranes due to their critical role in large-scale construction. Before erecting a tower crane, meticulous site preparation is essential. Soil testing is conducted to confirm the ground can support the immense weight and pressure, which can reach up to 500 kilonewtons per square meter. A robust concrete base, typically 3 to 4 meters deep, is poured to anchor the crane securely. The site must also be cleared of obstructions such as power lines or nearby structures that could interfere with the crane's operational range. Transportation logistics play a critical role in the assembly process. Tower crane components, such as mast sections, can weigh between 10 and 20 tons each, requiring specialized trucks for delivery. Coordinating the arrival of these components is vital to prevent delays and congestion at the construction site. Proper scheduling ensures that all parts arrive in sequence, facilitating efficient assembly. Once the site is prepared and the components are on site, the tower crane is erected using smaller mobile cranes, enabling the construction team to begin their work on towering structures. The erection process begins with the installation of the base section, which is positioned on the prepared foundation and secured with anchor bolts embedded in the concrete. Next, the vertical tower, or mast, is assembled section by section. Initially, a mobile crane is used to install the first few sections. Once a certain height is achieved, a climbing frame is employed to lift the upper part of the crane, creating space for new mast sections to be inserted. Tower cranes can reach heights exceeding 200 meters, with each mast section adding 3 to 6 meters. After the mast is assembled, the horizontal jib and counter jib are installed. The jib extends outward to carry loads and can range in length from 30 to 80 meters. The counter jib balances the jib and houses the counterweights, which can weigh up to 20 tons. These components are typically assembled on the ground and then lifted into position using a mobile crane. The operator's cab and machinery deck, which include essential components like the hoist motor, slewing unit, and control systems, are installed next. Once all components are in place, rigorous testing and calibration are performed to ensure the crane is operational. Load testing verifies that the crane can handle its maximum load capacity, often exceeding 10 tons, while safety systems such as brakes, limit switches, and overload sensors are thoroughly checked. Safety is paramount during crane erection, as cranes are involved in approximately 42% of fatal construction accidents worldwide. This statistic underscores the need for strict safety protocols throughout the process. Only certified riggers and operators should participate, ensuring that all tasks are performed by trained professionals. Weather conditions are closely monitored, as high winds exceeding 32 kilometers per hour can make assembly hazardous. Effective communication among team members is vital and is facilitated through radios and standardized hand signals. Additionally, personal protective equipment, PPE, including hard hats, harnesses, and steel-toed boots, is mandatory to minimize the risk of injury. Dismantling a crane requires the same level of attention to safety, as it involves additional risks due to potential instability. The process begins with the removal of the jib and counter jib, which are detached and carefully lowered to the ground using a mobile crane. To prevent tipping, counterweights are removed before disassembling the crane's upper sections. The climbing frame is then employed to lower mast sections one at a time. Each section is unbolted, detached, and lowered safely to the ground. Once the mast is fully dismantled, the base section is unbolted and removed. Anchor bolts securing the base are either cut or unscrewed, depending on the site requirements. The concrete foundation is often repurposed for other construction needs, or demolished if no longer required. Finally, the site is cleared of all crane components, allowing construction activities to resume seamlessly. Modern technology has significantly improved the efficiency and safety of crane assembly and disassembly. Remote monitoring systems equipped with sensors and IoT devices provide real-time data on load weights, wind speeds, and structural stress, enhancing both safety and operational efficiency. Self-erecting cranes, which can unfold and position themselves without external lifting equipment, are increasingly popular for smaller projects. Modular designs have also streamlined the process, reducing assembly time by up to 30%. Pre-assembled modules are transported to the site and connected using quick lock mechanisms, minimizing on-site labor. The global crane market was valued at $42 billion in 2022 and is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 6% from 2023 to 2030. Despite advancements in technology, crane-related accidents remain a concern. In the United States alone, an average of 44 crane-related fatalities occur annually, according to the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA. On average, erecting a standard tower crane takes 1 to 2 days, while dismantling can take up to 3 days due to added safety measures. A typical crane erection crew consists of 5 to 10 specialized workers, including operators, riggers, and signalers. The erection and dismantling of cranes are intricate processes that require meticulous planning, skilled personnel, and adherence to safety protocols. Advances in technology, such as remote monitoring and modular designs, are streamlining these operations, making them safer and more efficient. By understanding the complexities involved, stakeholders can better appreciate the critical role cranes play in modern construction. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.